Students, we've been given this question. The choices are displayed on the board. Kindly pause the session and do this question. And when you have got the right choice, we will return and learn how to zero in the correct choice. If you got the correct choice already, then it's good. If not, we will learn how to get the solution. Okay, foremost, let me take the integral as I. Then what I wish to do is I will add 1 negative x raised to the power of 4, and I will subtract 1 negative x raised to the power of 4 divided by 1 positive x squared times the dx. So this is equal to integral 0 to 1. I will club these two together. So you have x raised to the power of 4 times 1 negative x raised to the power of 4 negative 1 negative x raised to the power of 4. This is one group, followed by 1 negative x raised to the power of 4 divided by 1 positive x raised to the power of 2 times the dx. Now 1 negative x raised to the power of 4 can be taken out common. That would give me an x raised to the power of 4 negative 1, followed by 1 negative x raised to the power of 4 divided by 1 positive x squared, integral 0 to 1 times the dx. Now there is a formula: a squared negative b squared is a negative b multiplied with a positive b. X raised to the power of 4 negative 1 can be written as x squared raised to the power of 2 negative 1, which is going to be x squared times x squared positive 1 dx. So this is going to be rewritten as integral 0 to 1 negative x raised to the power of 4 x squared negative 1 times x squared positive 1. I already indicated to you the formula that is helping us to fragment this, divided by 1 positive x squared times the dx, positive 1 negative x raised to the power of 4 divided by 1 positive x squared times dx. All I'm doing is using this algebraic property: a positive b over c is a over c, positive b over c. Now 1 positive x squared and x squared positive 1, they get cancelled, giving me 0 to 1 negative x raised to the power of 4 times x squared negative 1 times the dx, positive 1 negative x raised to the power of 4 divided by 1 positive x squared times the dx. Now the limits are 0 to 1. Now I will have to consider this quantity first. Consider integral 0 to 1 negative x raised to the power of 4 times x squared negative 1 times dx. Now let me rewrite this as integral 0 to 1 negative x raised to the power of 2 the whole raised to the power of 2 times x squared negative 1 times dx. I expand this, I get 1 negative 2x positive x squared raised to the power of 2 times x squared negative 1 times dx. I rewrite this as integral 0 to 1 positive x squared negative 2x raised to the power of 2 times x squared negative 1 times dx. I am going to club these two together so that I have two terms, and I use a negative b whole squared formula. This is 0 to 1 positive x squared the whole squared negative 2 times the 1 positive x squared times 2x positive 4x squared times x squared negative 1 times the dx. So this is going to be integral 0 to 1. I can expand this. This is going to be 1 positive 2 times x squared positive x to the power of 4 negative 2 times 2 4 times x times 1 4x 2 times 2 4 times x times x to the power 3 negative 4 times x power 3 positive 4 times x squared times x squared negative 1 times dx. Is there anything I can club together? I have a 2x squared, I can club it. I have a 4x cubed, and I have nothing else to club. So this is going to be x to the power of 4 first term, and then second term 6x squared. Okay, second term is going to be negative 4 times x power 3. That's my second term. My third term is going to be 6 times x squared, and the next term is 4x and a positive 1. So this is what I got. This has to be multiplied with x squared negative 1 times the dx. So we will multiply these terms. X to the power of 4 times x squared, that's going to give me x raised to the power of 6 negative x raised to the power of 4 negative 4 times x raised to the power of 5 positive 4x to the power of 3, positive 6x to the raised to the power of 4, negative 6x squared, negative 4x raised to the power of 3, positive 4x, positive x squared, negative 1 times the dx. So this is equal to x raised to the power of 6. This is the next term, 4x raised to the power of 5, and I can add these two together. That will give me 5x raised to the power of 4, and then these two terms gets cancelled. Negative 6x squared, positive x squared, so that's negative 5x squared. I need to have, okay, x power 3 goes up, so you have a negative 1 there, plus there is a 4x there. I cannot do anything with that. Okay, retain it as it is, so followed by negative 1. So let me give a check. So this is done. These two are actually collaborated together. This is presented as it is, and 6x squared, negative 6x squared with this, I get a negative 5x squared, negative 1, and a positive 4x times dx. So the limits are 0 to 1. So this is x power 7 over 7, x power 6 over 6, x power 5 over 5, x power 3 over 3, 4x squared over 2, negative x, limits are 0 to 1. I substitute the upper limit, 5 and 5 can be cancelled. It's going to be 1 over 7, 4 over 6 plus 1, negative 5 over 3, positive 2, right? 2 divides here 2 times and just 2, then followed by negative 1. Positive 1, negative 1 goes up, and you have 1 over 7, reduce it to 3, 2 over 3, 5 over 3, positive 2. Now negative 2 over 3, negative 5 over 3. I can add these two together. Negative 7 over 3. So I have 1 over 7, negative 7 over 3, positive 2. So we take the LCM as 21. I get 3 and 49 and 42, right? So these two are added together, so I get 45, negative 49. That is going to give me negative 4. So this is negative 4 over 21. This is going to be 1 positive x squared, the whole square, negative 2 times of 1 positive x squared times 2x, positive 4x squared, divided by 1 positive x squared times the dx. Okay, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So this is going to be 1 positive x squared, the whole square, divided by 1 positive x squared, negative 2 times of 1 positive x squared divided by 1 positive x squared times 2x, and positive 4x squared divided by 1 positive x squared times dx. So 1 positive x squared, 1 positive x squared goes away, these two goes away. Now I have what am I left with? So 0 to 1, 0 to 1, I have 1 positive x squared, negative 4 times x, and positive 4x squared divided by 1 positive x squared. This is what I've got, times the dx. Okay, so we have to integrate this. So the question is, let me integrate this. So this is straightforward, right? So integral 0 to 1, 1 positive x squared times the dx, and then 4 times x dx. But this is the integral we will have to do something about. So this is what we have to do. So I'm going to take x squared and divide by 1 plus x squared. So this is going to be x squared positive 1. I have a 0 there, change the sign, you get a negative 1. So it's going to be 1, this is x squared, so 1 negative 1 over 1 positive x squared. So that is the representation for 0 to 1 x squared over 1 positive x squared dx. So I'm just considering this first because we can integrate all of these. So this is what we have got. So this is going to be integral 0 to 1 dx negative dx 1 positive x squared 0 to 1. I integrate this, I get x 0 to 1. I integrate this, I get tan inverse of x 0 to 1. This is 1 minus 0. This is tan inverse of 1 negative 0. That has got no value there. So it's going to be 1 negative tan inverse of 1, right? That's going to give me pi divided by 4. So this is the value that I have now. Okay, let me integrate these. So this is going to be x and this is going to be x power 3 over 3. The limits are 0 to 1. This is going to give me 4x squared over 2. Limits are 0 to 1. Of course, this is going to be 4 times of 1 negative pi over 4. So I substitute the upper limit and lower limit has got no power there. This is x squared over 2. So 2 divides 4 2 times and I get a 1 there. This is going to be giving me 4 negative pi. So I need to simplify this. So this is equal to 1 positive 1 over 3 negative 2 positive 4 negative pi. I can add these two together. I get a 2 here. I can add this 2 with this. I get 3 positive 1 over 3 negative pi. So I take the LCM as 3. I get 9 positive 1 negative 3 pi. So this is going to be 10 negative 3 pi over 3. So this is for the second part. Now we have to actually go and club the parts together. Okay, that's the first part. Now already we have got the second part, which is 10 negative 3 pi over 3. So now what we have to do is we have to add these two together. So negative 4 over 21 added with 10 negative 3 pi over 3. Now let me go to the next page. Negative 4 over 21, 10 negative 3 pi over 3. So the LCM is 21. Negative 4, 3 divides 21 7 times. 7 times 10, 70. And this is 3 pi. So you have 21 pi there. Okay, write that 21 pi. You add these two together, you get 66 negative 21 pi divided by 21. You rewrite this as 66 over 21 negative 21 pi over 21. Now 3 divides 7 times, 3 divides 2 times, 3 divides 2 times. So this is 22 negative 21 gets cancelled, right? So this is 22 over 7 negative pi. And that is the right choice for this question. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.